laundry pods are a new one that wasn't even on the radar screen before about maybe 2012. They're very colorful little pods. I mean, they look like candy, and they're very appealing, the packaging, everything, and it's really understandable that a kid may put one in their mouth. If it bursts in the mouth, the detergents themselves can be irritating, and compared to normal laundry detergent, which we see exposures with that as well, it seems that the concentration of it or the chemical property of it in these pods is more likely it can cause some burns in the mouth, or if it's swallowed, it can cause some esophageal burns. What's interesting with these pods is that some kids get very depressed level of consciousness. The absolute most important thing, if there's any concern, is call the Poison Center. We have specialists in poison information, they're called. They're an incredible resource in guiding what to do at home.